Hey everyone. So suppose you are learning Python and you want to build an OpenCV project. So most beginners simply go to Google and search something like GitHub OpenCV projects. So you'll find hundreds of GitHub repositories, but the real question is how do you know which one to download? And once you have downloaded it, how do you actually run it? So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process from choosing a project to running it successfully in VS Code. So before downloading any project, there are a few things I always check. I check whether the repository is popular. So here you can see the stars. So more stars usually mean more people have used and liked the project. So here you can see a short description and the topics this project covers. So I'll choose a simple one, easy one. Okay. So we can open the project by clicking on the name. So this is real-time face blur using OpenCV Python. So once we click on it, we can check whether the project has a README file. So if we open it, so in this file, the developer writes about the project. So in this project, we'll make a blur faces on live camera by using OpenCV Python, right? So this seems simple and beginner friendly. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. So now we have to download this project. So we'll click here and we'll click on this download zip. So if you are a beginner, downloading the zip file is the easiest option. Later, I'll also make a separate video explaining Git and cloning repositories. Okay. After this is downloaded, you have to unzip it. So right click and extract all. So now this is unzipped. After that, you have to open Visual Studio Code inside this folder. So let's quickly understand the project structure. So here we have this dot idea folder. So this folder is created by PyCharm. So if you are using VS Code, you can ignore it. So I'll simply delete it. And then we have this main.py file. So this is usually the starting point of the project. Okay. And then we have this readme.md file. As I already told you, this file contains instructions written by the developer. So always read this file before running any project. Okay. And then we have this requirement.txt. So this contains all the packages required by the project. And then we also have this default frontal face.xml. So this is the file which our project will use. So this is uh, used inside this main.py file. Okay. And now let's run this project. So we have this play button. If you'll click on it, you can see we are getting this error, module not found error, no module named CV2. So don't panic, this is completely normal. So this error shows that we need to install the package OpenCV. Okay. And before installing the package, we also need to create a virtual environment. Okay. So we will press Ctrl Shift and P, and here you can type create environment like this, and just select this first option and then select this venv and then choose the Python version, whichever Python version you want to choose. So I'll go with 3.10 version. And then what will be the virtual environment folder name? So I'll keep it as it is. I'll hit enter and then I'll skip package installation. So you will see a virtual environment folder will be created here. Okay. So whatever packages that we will install, that will be installed inside this virtual environment. Okay, so it will be available only for this project and not for every project. Okay, now the next step is to install the package. So we'll write here pip install OpenCV dash Python and hit enter. So you can see this is getting downloaded. So in few seconds this will be installed. So you can see that it has installed NumPy and OpenCV Python. So we have downloaded OpenCV Python package, but with this it automatically downloaded NumPy because OpenCV Python is dependent on NumPy. Okay. Now after this we can run the file by writing python main.py and hit enter. So we are getting another error, attribute error, module CV2 has no attribute cascade classifier. So how to fix these errors, or if any other error occurs? So what you can do, you can just copy the error, complete error, and paste on some AI tool like ChatGPT. Okay, and it will provide you the solution. Okay, so I have already found the solution for this one. So if you see, OpenCV Python version is this one. Okay, so this version doesn't support this cascade classifier. Okay, so we have to downgrade the version. Okay, so for that you can write like this: pip install OpenCV dash Python equals to 4.10.0.84. So this version is supported. So we will install this one. So you can see that it has uninstalled this version and then it has installed this version. Okay. Now if you try to run your code again, python main.py and hit enter. So I'm getting one more error here. Okay. So since I don't know about this error, so what I can do, either I can manually fix it or I can just ask ChatGPT to provide me the solution. So I'll copy this error and I'll paste on ChatGPT, and then I'll also copy the code and paste it, and it will provide me the solution. So the error is occurred because of this line, and it has also provided you the reason. Okay, so it provides me the solution that we can replace this with this line. So I'll just quickly do that. So I'll replace this line with this line. Okay, now we can try to run it again. And you can see now it works perfectly fine, and you are able to get the output here, and you can see my face is blurred. So congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and run your first GitHub Python project. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments what Python topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.